I often hear this, Miss Torre. Read it for us.
She's really smart, but she can't write.
I hear that all the time from employers, from professors, from all sorts of folks that you need to impress and that you'll ideally want to work with and improve as a law student and lawyer. Here's something I never hear.
She can write, but she's not very smart.
Nobody's ever said that to me. Nobody has ever pointed to a student and said, that one can write, dumbass. There may be people out in the world for whom that's true. A lot of times there might be a columnist, or you think, like, that person's not really bright. But really, if you can write, there's going to be an assumption that you have a kind of intelligence, partly because it shows that you can communicate complex material to another person. That's a smart thing. That's a skill that we want to develop.